In this video, I will show you how to set up AWS account online Amazon Web Services. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And in saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, for this demonstration, open up any web browser and head on over to Google and then type in AWS account in the Google search box. And then from here, scroll down and under where it says aws.amazon.com, you want to click on create account. And what this is going to do, this is going to take you to the official website of Amazon, and in particular your Amazon Web Services. So if you're working with an AWS sales representative, use this page to create your AWS account. So click on sign up now. And now from here, put in your email address and then put in a username here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Once that is done, you need to verify your email address. So to do that, click on verify email address. And now they've sent me a verification code to my email. So I'll go ahead and check out my emails for that code. And here it is here. So I'm going to click into that, my 6-digit code, copy this, and then paste it in this box here. Once you've done that, click on verify. And there you go, it's you. Your email address has been successfully verified. So now what you want to do is create a password here that you're going to easily remember. Once you've done that, continue on to step 2 of 5. Click on save. And now what you want to do here is put in your full name, phone number, what country, region, address, all this good stuff. So then fill out this and click on continue to step 3 out of 5. All right, I've filled out this. I'm going to click on I've read and agreed to the terms. Continue to step 2 out of 5. Also, make sure how do you plan to use AWS. So if it's for business, click that. Personal, click that. So I'm just going to keep this as personal for this demonstration. And now once you've done that, you want to pull in your billing information. So put in your 16-digit credit card or Visa card number, expiration date, security code, cardholder's name, and then click on verify and continue. And once you move on to the next step, it will say here secure verification. So we will not charge you for usage below AWS free tier limits. We may temporarily hold up to $1 USD or equivalent amount in local currency as a pending transaction to verify your identity as well. So yeah, go ahead and fill this out, continue on to the next few steps, and you have been signed up to the AWS